Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching Dipat TV. Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching Dipat's Tamili Random Vlogs here on Dipat TV YouTube channel. And mga kadipat, we are now in our final video log of the year 2024. Ang huling video log ng taong 2024, number 35 overall in our Dipat's Tamili Random Vlogs. At syempre po, ano na tayo, yung anong gagawin na natin for today. For this random video log, we're only going to talk about a certain car kit. So, isang limited edition car kit ang pag-uusapan po natin for today's topic here on the Pats Tamiya League Random Vlogs number 35. And the 12th and final video log of the year 2024 sa ating DTL Random Vlogs 2024. And kadipat, before we proceed, I would like to thank first and foremost to Almighty God for all the blessings we have received in each and every day of our lives. And yung nga po, may God bless us always even more in the coming years to come. For more years to come. Yan, as always. We stay safe, we stay healthy, we are always in good hands and in good health. Yan. Amen. At next, pasalamatan ko naman mga kadipat ay yung si Sherwin Layos Ballesteros, kay Bugoy Ballesteros ng Asingan Tamiya Racers team. Shout out sa iyo at thanks so much sa ipapakita nating kit mamaya-maya. And also to Mr. Jervis Roses of our fellow teammate for team TNR Kabuki or Tamiya North Racers Kabuki team. Yan. Ng si Jervis Roses ng Mapandan, Pangasinan for the parts that we are going to show later on. Yan. So mga kadipat, without further ado, let's talk about our final car kit review for this year 2024 right away. And again, brought to us by Asingan Tamiya Racers, courtesy of Mr. Sherwin Bugoy Layos Ballesteros. Yan. So without further ado, it's now time to reveal in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Chendon, Swane, Rinung Game. Rinung Game. Game start! Ayan. Ito pa ang i-feature natin for today's topic here on Dipat's Tamiya League Random Vlogs is the Aero Avante Asia Challenge 2024 Special. An AR chassis derived from the original Aero Avante, which is the first ever model in Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drives Rev series of Mini 4-wheel drives. This is a special edition of the first ever AR chassis model Aero Avante for the year 2024 Asia Challenge 2024 Special. Yan, as we take a look, yan nga po, TMAC commemorating TMAC 2024 or Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Asia Challenge 2024. Nag-design ang Tamiya Corporation nitong Asia Challenge Limited Edition Special ng Aero Avante. So this is a special edition of this amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car model. Yan nga po. Ayun po yung yung talagang service suggestion po nito when it comes to box stock racing. So ganito po siya ikakabit mismo. Ganito mismo kapag box stock. So yan po yung i-introduce po natin. Itong Aero Avante Asia Challenge 2024 Special. The item number of this wonderful car kit model is a 95655. Yan, as we take a look here. Right there. Yan. As we take a look, the item number of this Aero Avante Asia Challenge 2024 Special is 95655. 95655. That number again, 95655. The item number of this amazing Aero Abante Asia Challenge 2024 special. At yun po yung pag-uusapan po natin for this entire edition of DCL Random Vlogs. So, without further ado, mag-ano na tayo. Medyo hihinga lang po ng konting inyo pong lingkod, but when we return, ipakita na po natin what consists this Aero Abante Asia Challenge 2024 special car kit. So just relax and don't go away just yet. Pagbalik po natin, ipapakita na po natin yung compositions at yung unboxing ng naturang special na car kit. Alright mga kadipat, Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar here for our 35th and last video log of Dipat's Tamiya League Random Vlogs. And yun nga po, ito nga po yung featured car kit natin for the year 2024. Last na to for the year 2024. Itong Aero Abante T-Mac 2024 special. Ayan, so without further ado, let's see the composition right here. Ito nga po yon. Ito yung ito nga po yung AR chassis composition. And let's start off first with ito yung buong chassis na to. Ayan na nga po. As indicated here, ABS resin chassis blue o molded in blue ABS resin yung main frame. Yan yung kulay blue po yan. Yan po yung main frame na natin. Tapos ang low friction resin A parts, gear cover and so on, molded in black. Polyoxymethylene plastic or POM yan, kasama na din yung mga rollers at skid bar. Also, it has a single shaft motor included, type 130 motor. Ayan nga po yun, yung puti, yung merong puting end bell. And then ABS resin body shell or cowl, molded in white. Molded in white naman po yan. Yan nga po yun, yung naka-indicate nga rito, which is the color white. And then meron siyang fin type black wheels. Ayan nga po yun. Ayan, nakapokus dito. Yung fin type wheels na to. Ayan, front wheel, all four wheels. Tapos, kaakibat naman nito, in conjunction with this fin type wheels are the super hard small diameter low profile tires with lettering in it. Ayan, around the tires. Yan nga po, 4x4 yan. Yung lahat ng apat na super hard tires na yan ay may mga lettering na nakasulat po rito. So kapag pupunasan po ito, make sure na hindi mabubura yung mga nakasulat sa gilid. And then, yan, meron siyang 3.5:1 gear ratio simply because kumaga ang naka-include dito sa car kit na to ay mga medium or small diameter low profile wheels and tire sets. Wheel and tire sets. At yan nga po, kaya 3.5:1 yung naka-include na gear ratio dito sa car kit na to. Alongside 13mm POM rollers, molded in black yan, kasama doon sa A parts yan. Yan, yung mga nandun sa yan. Yan. So, yan nga po yung yung composition nitong special mini 4-wheel drive Rev Series Special Edition ng Aero Abante. Yan pa po, yung ibang mga recommended tools yan. Yan, basahin ko na lang po. Yan. So, ito po yung yung info. Ito po yung info ng ng buong Aero Abante T-Mac 2024 special. Yan. This special model commemorates the Mini 4-Wheel Drive Asia Challenge 2024 for this year. Actually, yung naging T-Mac nitong June 2024. Middle of the year kasi to yung T-Mac. Every second quarter ng taon yan tuwing second quarter sa Japan, sa iba pang mga kung sino man yung host nation. So Taiwan ang magiging susunod na host nation ng Asia Challenge. Ewan ko lang yung Pilipinas kung kailan ulit mag-host. The last time kasi nag-host ang Pilipinas, I think 2019. Pero after the pandemic, Taiwan Korea yung huli. Korea yung huling nag-host. Next year, Taiwan. If I'm not mistaken, sa Chinese Taipei gaganapin yung susunod na T-Mac 2025. Alright. Yan. The stylish body is molded in white ABS resin. The model is based upon the high-performance AR chassis. Yan, fin-type black wheels paired with super hard black low-profile tires with white lettering in it. And metallic stickers are specially designed for this car with a Type 130 motor included in the kit. No cement or glue required. It's as easy snap together or easy cement-free snap together car kit, assembly car kit that is. Yan nga po yung composition nitong Aero Abante Asia Challenge 2024 Special. So when we return mga kadipat, tatalakay na po natin kung ano ang nasa loob nitong Aero Abante TMAC 2024 Special Car Kit. So just relax and don't go away just yet. And when we return, let's unbox right away what is inside this Aero Abante 2024 Asia Challenge Special Car Kit. Alright mga kadipat, so without further ado, binuksan na po natin yung ano yung laman ng Aero Abante Car Kit. Let's start off first our unboxing of the parts list. Ito na po yung yung makikita nyo pong mga pyesa nitong Aero Abante Asia Challenge 2024 Car Kit. So first up, we have here this monocoque, this wonderful monocoque blue ABS resin main frame of the AR chassis. Yan. Actually, derived from the first ever model in the Mini 4-wheel drive Rev series or AR chassis in the history of DTL. History of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive since 1982. Unang inilabas itong AR chassis noong 2012. The year 2012, yung po nagsimula ang AR chassis. Yan nga po yun, no? As indicated here. The first ever car kit was Aero Abante 18701 ang nakalagay dito. Number 3. Yun siguro yung yung material nitong AR na to. Number 3. So, yan yan nga po yung blue AR monocoque mainframe ng Aero Abante natin. So, ilalagay ko lang dito. The next one to reveal is the cowl. Ito yung napakagandang cowl ng Aero Abante TMAC 2024 Special. Yan. TMAC or Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Asia Challenge, that is. Ayan nga po yung napakagandang napaka-aerodynamic na cowl ng Aero Abante molded in white ABS resin as well. Of course, derived from the original version of the Aero Abante, which is actually 18701. So it's the first ever AR chassis model in the history of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive since 2012. Yan. Yung po nagsimula yung AR. So, ito po yan. I'll just put it right here. The next one to reveal, in conjunction with this blue ABS resin main frame of AR chassis, are these black POM A parts internals that included also the rear skid bar, rollers, lock, yung mga iba pang mga parts, yung mga internals ng AR chassis. Yan nga po, molded in black polyoxymethylene material, black POM plastic. Yan nga po, makikita nga po dito, yan naka-indicate dito, it's POM. Yan nga po yan, POM ang material nitong internal na ito. Next up, we have here the mags. We have here this wonderful fin-type, black fin-type mags made of polypropylene, if I'm not mistaken. Usually ginagamit ito yun ang standard material talaga ng mga Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive mags na na kadalasang inilalagay sa ating mga Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kits. Yan. Kung sa tune-up part yan, pwede maging carbon, pwede maging, ayan ang naka-indicate nga rito, it's polypropylene. That double P is polypropylene. Yan nga po, doon nga po naka-indicate. And then, yan. Iba pang mga iba pang mga data. Nagmula pala ito sa 15534. Nagmula pala to sa 15534 itong magandang fin type mags na ito. Yan. Okay. Next, in conjunction with those mags, wonderful mags, are these super hard low profile tires. Yan, may nakasulat Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Asia Challenge super hard. Yan. As you all know, yan nga, is super hard. Talagang super hard. Look at this. Holy smoke. Halos di ko mapisil mga kadipat. Look at that. Ayan talagang matigas. Super hard ngang talaga. Perfect ito for faster racing for accelerating your mini 4-wheel drive machines. Especially in actual competitions. Kaya no wonder bakit buhay na buhay ngayon ang box stock racing. Yung iba kasing mga car kit, lalo na yung mga limited edition natin, ay meron ng mga super hard or sometimes low friction. Yung iba, ibang mga rare item, meron ding mga matitigas na rubber tires. Yan. So in conjunction nitong so ito in conjunction silang dalawa. Pero bahala ka ngayon kung sa box stock talagang magkasama dapat yan. Pero kung sa ibang category, optional. Bahala ka ngayon kung gagamitin mo pa yan or whether or not to use that, yung combination na yan. Or may naisip kang ibang contraption, iba-ibang contraption for other categories, except box stock. Sa box stock talaga, as is na nating bubuin yan. Lagyan lang ng baterya, i-break in lang yung stock motor na kasama nun, and you're golden to drive on the racetracks during actual competitions. Alright, there are actually 3 left. So, 3 na lang po yung nandito. The next to reveal are these most important. Ito yung mga pinakamahalagang bahagi ng isang Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive ay itong mga gears, propeller, and wheel shaft. Stock SMC motor, definitely. This is a stock SMC motor. It's simply because there is a hole in it, and also at the same time it has that guhit or line. Yan. If there is no line, that is a stock Amabuchi. So definitely this is a stock SMC motor variation of this Swipe 130 motor being used for box stock racing. Yeah. At siyempre may grasa for the grease. We have grease for the gears. The motor and battery terminals are here. The screws for the rollers, and also for the skid bar and all other parts. Yan, along with the washers, and the counter gear shaft is here, the ribbed one, which is actually ribbed. Yan, and then yan nga po yung mga kasama nito yun yung mga pinaka-vital na parts ng Tamiya Mini, kahit anong Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive, just to make it run, para makatakbo po sila ng gusto. Next, the penultimate item to reveal here are these wonderful stickers. Yan, ito po yung mga metallic stickers na design po ng Aero Avante TMAC 2024 edition. Yan nga po yon, na yung mga ididikit po yan, including the name tag, which is being applied at the bottom of the car, bottom of the chassis, underneath the chassis. Usually dito po yan dinidikit. Dito po yan dinidikit, either dito or dito. Bahala po kayo kung saan nyo ilalagay. Basta either dito or dito yan ilalagay. Usually dito. Kasi kurbado yung yung name tag. So definitely dito yan. Dito po yan dinidikit yung name tag. So in this case yan, for example, DPAT or IMI, Lakay IMI, halimbawa, yan, in honor of my father, yan, sinabi ko na rin, ginawa ko lang siyang halimbawa, opo. So, again, to Demetrio Aguilar, to my dad, of course, stay safe and healthy. Andyan lang yung little John mo para gabayan ka, palagi. Yan, we all love you. syempre, mahal ka namin ang mga kamag-anak at mga kaibigan at mga iba pang mga kuya ng inyo pong lingkod. Yan. Alright. So, yan nga po yung mga stickers po niya. Yan, bahala po tayo kung ano. At least 5 stickers. 5 of the many stickers to be applied on the cowl. So, at least 5. Or sa rule siguro, I think at least 5 stickers kailangan. At least 5 stickers. So, pero hindi pa kasama yung mga Tamiya at iba pa dyan na ano. Siguro mga at least 5. Ganyan. At least 5 stickers. So, I think I can apply up to 9. Maybe if I'll go back stock, maybe I'll apply up to 9 stickers lang siguro, pwede na. Okay, right. Definitely not the least, finally, are these instruction manuals for kit assembly. So this is the car kit assembly. Itong Aero Avante na to, plus itong mga instruction manuals, so general instructions, the do's and don'ts of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing are right here in Japanese and English languages. So the English translation is, ito namang nakasulat dito is the English translation at the back. The Japanese translation of that is at the back right here. So yan nga po yung alright. So, yan nga po yan. So, yan na nga po. That goes the entire composition of the amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit Aero Avante Asia Challenge 2024 special. So, I have no idea just yet kung saan ko ilalagay itong mga Pero dahil limited edition lang po ito, ay malamang hindi ko na ikarera ito. So, unfortunately, uncertain pa ako kung ikakarera to o i-display ko na lang o itatag o ikakahon na lang. Malamang ganun nga mangyari, ikakahon ko na lang. So, most likely, ganun na mangyari. Siguro, buuin ko lang na buuin ko lang siguro as is, pero hindi ko na i-aandar, hindi ko na lalagyan ng mga motor, terminal, kahit hindi naka-align yung gulong. Okay lang. So, most likely, ganyan lang so most likely ganun na lang yung gagawin ko dito sa Aero Avante Asia Challenge 2024 special. Alright. So that goes our entire review of this amazing car kit Aero Avante Asia Challenge 2024 special. Yan nga po yun. So yan po yung yung buong composition niya po, at yan nga po yung review natin for this amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive car kit Aero Avante Asia Challenge 2024 special. Item number 95655. That number again, 95655, is the item number of this amazing Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive limited edition car kit. Hello mga kadipat, Don Patrick Dipa Aguilar here, back for more topic regarding our last video log dun sa Lipat's Tamiya League Random Vlog number 35 overall and 12th and final for the year 2024. And well, as we continue our topic regarding dun sa last video log natin, inuna natin yung car kit review ng ating Aero Avante Asia Challenge 2024 Special 95655 item number. So, to further discuss the other parts that we have received, yung iba pang mga piyesang binili ko, this time naman I make a shout out to Mr. Jervis Roses of Mapandan, Pangasinan. Yeah. Kay Jervis Roses, salamat sa mga parts na binebenta diyan sa kanyang munting Tamiya store. Kung saan nakabili nga tayo ng mga piyesa na gusto natin. Yeah. Sa kahit anong kategory na sasalihan po natin. Alright. So, for further discussion of our last vlog for the year 2024, we now have the other parts that I bought in Mapandan. First up, we have here this one. Yep. This one is the low friction plastic double rollers, red and blue, 13 and 12 millimeter. 13 ilalim, yung 12 millimeter sa ibabaw. Ang item number ay 15457. Again, that's 15457. The low friction plastic double rollers commonly used in pro stock category. Yeah, with 220 yen as its Japanese price. Yung presyo sa Japan, 220 Japanese yen. 2 pairs naman na. So parang 110 per pair. In yen 110 yen per pair. Isang pares na pula, isang pares na bughaw. Red and blue respectively yan. Ano to, kukumpletuhin ko lang. Sinadya ko lang bilhin to kay Jervis simply because gusto ko lang magpatas na magpares-pares yung dalawang red, dalawang blue, dalawang black, dalawang white, tsaka dalawang orange. Kaya bumili na ako ng kahit isa lang na ganito. Yan, 15457. Yan. Madalas ginagamit natin to sa Pro Stock. Alright. So, the next part, random selection. Ito, ang Slimline Mass Damper 15501 item number. Again, it's 15501 with 400 yen as its Japanese price. Price in Japan is 400 yen. 15501, yan, pansin nyo po, merong ang tawag ko rito ay Slimline Bullet Pellet pala. Ito yung Slimline Bullet, yung parang bulitas na parang basyon ng baril. Bala ng baril yung nito. Yan nga po ito. 3 grams ang bawat isa nito, 3 grams. So 6 grams itong dalawa. So yan, ito yung Slimline Bullet. Ito naman yung Slimline Pellet na 3 grams total. Ito 1.5 bawat isa nito, magaan lang po yun. So karaniwan nilalagay yan sa basic max natin, sa stock advance, yan. Speed Tech pwede rin naman. Pwede rin naman sa Speed Tech at Open Class, pwede pa rin gamitin itong mga to. Yan, usable yan. Ilan sa mga chassis na pwedeng gumamit ito, MA, MS, BZ, FMA, ARBS, Super X, Super Double X, Super 2, Super TZX, at I think sa Super FM pwede rin naman. Depende na lang sa diskarte natin kung paano natin dinidiskarte yung mga piyesang ito. So again, para to sa mga basic max naman. Ito para sa Pro Stock, ito naman para sa B-Max Speedtech Open. Penultimate item that I'm gonna reveal for our final vlog this 2024 are these A-parts from the Carbon Super FM chassis. Yan nga po, pansin nyo, wala yung motor catch. Yung motor catch kasi nito, kinuha ko na, ginamit ko na dun sa Grand Prix. Kay Scarlett sana, kaya lang wala rin. Bali wala rin yung repair. Hindi rin naayos ng mahusay. Sa gitna pa ng digmaan, doon pa nadali. Malas nga lang. So, yan. Again, shoutout to Jervis Roses. Maraming salamat dito sa yung presyo na doon ay 250. Kasi nga po, yung CFM parang rare item na lang po siya. Mahirap na pong hagilapin din kagaya ng mga reinforced AR at iba pang mga AR set, FMA set, MA, yung mga ibang mga chassis, napakahirap na pong hanapin. Kung mahanap man yon, mas mahal na kasi konti na lang po ang supply. Because fewer supplies means higher prices for every set. Mas tataas yung presyo naman kasi konti na lang po yung supply. That's just basic economics. That's just basic economics for you, right? So, ayan nga yun, yung A-parts na to, nabili ko to ng 250 sa Mapandan. And finally, but definitely not the least, is this common brake part, brake set that we are using for B-Max Speedtech in Open Class is the FRP rear brake stay. The default item number is 15518. Once again, it's 15518 with 380 yen in Japan. Presyo nito, 380 yen sa Japan. Ayan nga po, karaniwan, ang meron na ngayon na FRP rear brake stay, ang default brake pad niya is white. Kulay puti. Dati, pink ito na 2mm thick. Ang kapal nito is 2mm, pero ngayon, naging 2mm white na. White brakes na yung ginagamit. Yung default niya. Pero pwedeng lagyan to ng ibang mga brake pad. Depende na ngayon sa track layout kung ano yung gusto mong ilagay na brake pad, brake sponge. So it's just a matter of preference for the racer to what brake type or brake sponge to use, depending on the color. Siyempre, iba-ibang braking effect yan. Ibang kulay, iba rin yung braking effect niya. So, bahala na tayo kung saan natin ilalagay yan. O basta sa Speedtech B-Max or ano lang to, sa Open Class kung sakali man. Alright. So, these are the 4 parts. Yan. So, ito po yung 4 na pyesa na nabili ko kay Jervis Roses. Yan. Kay, shoutout talaga. Of course, kung may pagkakataon makabili ulit, babalik talaga ako doon kay Jervis. Babalikan ko rin yon next time. Yung mga iba pang mga part na gusto kong bilhin, definitely babalik din po ako doon. Alright. So there you have it. These are the parts that I bought this December to wrap up the year 2024. And yun nga po, isama na po natin saglit. When we return, isasama ko na rin dito yung Aero Abante T-Max Special na pinakita po natin earlier. So there you have it. Yan nga po yun. Sinama ko lang yung Aero Abante Asia Challenge 2024 Special. Yan naman yung Aero Abante kit kay Sherwin Ballesteros naman ko binili yan. Shout out to TNR Kabuki and ATR team sa United Tamiya North Racers team. Maraming salamat. Also kay RJ Bardonado Peronce Marshall natin sa BMAX at iba pang mga racing categories. Shout out sa iyo din. At kita-kits ulit sa mga racing events very soon. January, definitely pipilitin ko na pong bumalik. Alright. So there you have it. Ayan na nga po yung final set ng ating mga items reveal, item revelation natin for to close out the year 2024. And this will close out our final vlog of the year 2024 here in our DPATS Tamiya League Random Video Logs. And yeah, once again, this has been Don Patrick DPAT Aguilar for now signing up. And I'm wishing you all the best the coming year ahead, 2025. And have a happy, prosperous and fantastic new year ahead come the year 2025. Once again, thank you so much to all who watch and whoever will drop by on my video logs. Yan. At any time, at any point. Yan. So mga kadipat, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs as well. And as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. And like I always remind each and every true Filipino across the globe, love the Philippines, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas, at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita. Di pag malaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino, isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo kahit kanino, at sa mga manlulupig, hindi pa sisiiryam. So once again, this has been another presentation of another random video log here on our DTL Random Vlogs. And ito na nga po yung final vlog natin for the year 2024, making it a total of 12 the whole year. So once again mga kadipat, I'm leaving you a pleasant afternoon to all of you. At of course, this has been Don Patrick DPAT Aguilar. At yun nga po, muli po ay aking taus-pusong pagbate sa walang sawa nyo pong pagsuporta sa aking mga social media platforms. DPAT Aguilar on Facebook, DPATS Tamiya League, and An Evening with DPAT Aguilar on Facebook as well. And yung at DPAT Tamiya League on TikTok, and DPAT TV Don Patrick Aguilar on YouTube. So yan nga po, ito po ang inyong punong lingkod, I, Don Patrick Misolas Aguilar, also known as DPAT, born in Manila, spent my childhood in Manila, isang batang Manileño na pinanganak pero nagbinata at sa kasalukuyan ay namumuhay, and kung mamamatay man dito pa rin sa lungsod ng Urdaneta. Isang batang Manileño, isang Tamiya, isang masugid na Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racer, at isang batang Manileño pero isa na ring naturalized Pangasinense, at lalaban para sa Urdaneta City, Pangasinan, lalaban para sa Manila, lalaban para sa Pangasinan, at lalaban para sa bansa ng Liping Maharlika, ang ating minamahal na bagong Pilipinas. Uli po, Shokran Tusentak.